It's very early and I can't start without my coffee. Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Joseph from Screen Bite, and today is something kind of exciting. So I've been waiting for this to come in the mail since January. It's a lens from Russia, and I've actually been super excited to try this out because it's the Helios 44-2 and it's supposed to be one of the best bokeh lenses you can buy. So I definitely am excited to give this one a test. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this puppy opened, and hopefully it's not broken. That was my cat. So it's bubble wrap, so that might be a good thing. Honestly, I can't trust this thing anymore because it was so long for this to come in the mail. Nah, this is packaged pretty well. I'm gonna have a field day with this bubble wrap later. Okay, so put that off to the side for a second because it came with another box. Oh, came free with the adapter. That's kind of cool. So this is an M42 mount, which means it's essentially a screw mount. You just screw it into its normal mount. So in order to put it on to like something like the GH5, you need one of these adapters. So let me first inspect this lens here. Okay, so you definitely have some marks. She's a little banged up in places, but the optical elements themselves actually look pretty sound. Let me see if I can show you that. Come on, GH5, you can do it. I'll bump to some close-up shots of this so you guys can see it, because everyone knows GH5 does not like to focus. All right, so, ooh, I like that. That has a really nice focusing ring and a huge focus throw. Wow, okay. Oh, they declicked the aperture. That's awesome. So I'm not sure if these are supposed to come declicked, but this aperture is declicked. It's a little loose. Like, I feel like I could shake my lens and it'll move, but that's actually really awesome. And that focus element is just really nice. So this is a 58mm f2, so it should be decent in low light. That would equate to like an f4 on a full frame lens. And this 58mm, I believe, please don't judge my math, would be a 116mm, so telephoto, not quite the 135, but it's definitely up there, so this will definitely have place in my kit. Upon further inspection, there are some like dust and like slight marks around the mount and things like that. So this lens has definitely been used, of course. It's really old. But I have to say, I'm actually kind of excited because I did not know it was gonna come with a declicked aperture. And that means I can almost use this as a cine lens. And this focus, like look at this, watch. That's like 180 degrees. So this should be fun. Let's go ahead and give this a shot.
to